A major announcement by OpenAI has generated a lot of buzz in the artificial intelligence community. GPT ushers in a new era of AI language models. It clearly goes beyond what we thought was conceivable just a few months ago with GPT-3. A large multimodal model processing text and images has been unveiling by the company as its latest creation, GPT-4. GPT-4 is designed to solve difficult problems with greater accuracy and demonstrate human-level performance on a variety of professional and academic benchmarks. With its powerful language model, it can pass a stimulated bar exam with a score that places it in the top 10% of test takers. Additionally, GPT-4 can schedule meetings among 3 busy people and even learn a user-creative writing style. There's no doubt that GPT-4 is capable of handling over 25,000 words of text at once. Compared to GPT-3, the ability of GPT-4 to understand languages other than English is one of its most intriguing features. As a result, it is an excellent language model for reading text in a variety of languages, including Chinese, Arabic, and French. Now turn a simple sketch into working websites with GPT-4. Well, isn't GPT-4 without a question making us smarter over time?